If you want to change Google Chrome language, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you the exact steps to switch Chrome to your preferred language quickly and easily, so your browser menus, buttons, and settings can appear in the language you want. This is a simple change, but it can make Chrome much easier to use if you're learning a new language, sharing a computer, or just prefer browsing in a different language. If this video helps you, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more quick tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, open Google Chrome on your computer. In the top right corner of the browser, click the three vertical dots. This opens the main Chrome menu. From the menu, click Settings. Once the Settings page opens, look at the left-hand sidebar and click Languages. This is where Chrome lets you manage the language used for the browser interface and other language preferences. Under the section called Preferred Languages, click Add Languages. A list will appear with many different languages available. Now search for the language you want to use. You can either type it into the search bar or scroll through the list until you find it. Once you see the correct language, select it and click Add. Chrome will now add that language to your preferred list. Next, find the language you just added in the list. Click the three dots next to that language. From the options, check the box that says Display Google Chrome in this language. This tells Chrome to use that language for the browser interface. After that, click Relaunch. Chrome will restart and apply the new language setting. Once it opens again, you should see Google Chrome running in your selected language. And that's it. You've successfully changed Google Chrome language. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you won't miss the next helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.